Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video with chill music in background. This time we are going to check what is inside of the Elgato ring light box. The technical specification is enlightening us with adjustable brightness which you can decrease and increase up to 2500 lumens, color range from 2900 kelvins up to 7000 kelvins which is adjustable. For reference, my room LED light bulbs are on 3000 Kelvin color temperature, which is really nice for your eyes. Power consumption is up to 45 watts. Weight is 1070 grams, 2.36 pounds. Mounting system is a telescopic pole with dimension minimum 44 centimeters, 17 inches up to 74 centimeters, which is 29 inches. Ring light dimension with inner diameter 31 centimeters, 12 inches, and outer diameter is 43.2 centimeters, 17 inches. Wi-Fi, you can connect it to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network in standard 802.11, ABGNN, disc mounting system clamp, padded and extendable up to 6 centimeters, 2.35 inches thickness of your desk. Camera ball mount is 1/4 inch screw. The maximum suggested weight of camera is 2 kilos or 4.5 pounds. Wi-Fi connection is required for initial pairing. On spirit, you can control ring light via any wired or wireless device in your network. Control center application is available for Mac, Windows, Android and iPhone, iPad and iPod. I will be reviewing the application in one of my next video, so please make sure you drop subscribe right now to do not miss it. If you've missed any of the tech spec I have talked about, don't worry, you can check the description section down below the video. So this is the power adapter with exchangeable sockets. Let's see, we have 4 types. Hopefully everybody will be able to choose one. And what else do we have here? And then we have the light itself. You can see it's nicely packed. Yep, here it is. Let's take it out of the box. One side. And then free it up from the other side. Here we go. Let's check the light. Wow, it's beautiful. The features. Pro Stereo Lightning, described as ultra bright 2500 lumen output and wide 2900 up to 7000 kelvins color range for close-up video and portrait shooting. Premium LED technology, described as industrial grade OSRAM LEDs, deliver constant intensity without flicker while keeping cool for hours. Ultra soft and balanced, described as edge-lit architecture, and multi-layer diffusion technology guarantees seamless light transmission that's kinder to your eyes. That's what we need. Camera ready, described as extra stable camera ball mount with 1/4 inch screw, enables you to angle your camera independently of ring light. Fully adjustable, described as Master Mount S, with integrated ball head lets you set the perfect height and lighting angle. Streamlight design, described as padded desk clamp and sleek profile, allows ring light to stand flush against the wall. Control on your terms, described as use the onboard buttons or control center application on your computer and phone to power up, tweak brightness, adjust color temperature and even more. Multi-mount compatible, described as turn a ring light into freestanding setup, mount a phone and more. Master Mount L heavy base and phone grip are sold separately. Customize your multi-mount rigid system at elgato.com. Oops, and it's lost. So let's turn it on. Okay, so I pressed reset. Actually, let's press once time, second time, third time. Ta-da! I guess it didn't work for first time because I pressed the reset initially, but it looks good now. So let me try to increase brightness, decrease brightness. Let's try to switch to color temperature. Now it's going to color temperature. Now it's going back to brightness, back to color temperature, decreasing color temperature, again decreasing, increasing color temperature, decreasing, holding to decrease to minimum, holding increase to maximum. We are on maximum, holding to decrease to minimum. Yep, it works. Again, maximum. We are on maximum. And that's it. Don't hesitate to drop like and subscribe.